Hello everyone. Today we are making caramel sauce. We will start with adding 1 cup of brown sugar into a saucepan. We will add a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. We will add 1 tablespoon of caramel extract. And we will add 4 tablespoons of butter. Now we will turn on the heat and we will begin to whisk everything together. We will want to keep our heat setting between the medium and low heat. We will bring the caramel sauce to a simmer and we will constantly stir the sauce until it has thickened and is no longer watery. The caramel sauce will take about 5 to 10 minutes to thicken. After it has thickened, we will remove it from the heat and then we will pour it into a bowl. The caramel sauce will become more thick as it cools down. Thank you everyone for watching my video.